When filling Class 2 restorations, dentists can choose from a number of flowable composites that can be used to improve composite-to-tooth structure adaptation, especially in hard-to-reach areas. But in most cases, filling a Class 2 restoration requires the time-consuming process of layering a universal composite on top of the flowable in order to achieve the desired strength and wear resistance. Wouldn't it be nice if there were a flowable that had similar physical properties to a universal composite, thus eliminating an entire step? Well, now there is. This module will introduce you to new GrandioSO Flow and Heavy Flow and show you how both products combine the easy handling you expect from a flowable with superior physical properties that, until now, were available only from packable universal composites. GrandioSO Flow and Heavy Flow offer several important advantages over regular flowable composites. Both composites can be used for all classes of restorations, including occlusal surfaces, and offer physical properties superior to many packable composites. How can GrandioSO Flow and Heavy Flow be so strong? They contain up to 50% less resin than regular flowable composites. With the resin replaced by fillers, GrandioSO Flow and Heavy Flow deliver the same high wear resistance achieved by universal composites. And the extremely low shrinkage rate reduces the chances of voids and costly remakes due to failure of the restoration. GrandioSO Flow and Heavy Flow also deliver excellent surface affinity, with complete wetting of the cavity walls for very tight seals. They polish quickly and easily, and offer high shade stability for long-lasting aesthetics. The non-dripping syringe and flow caps enable safe and precise application to reduce procedure time and minimize waste. And both GrandioSO Flow and Heavy Flow offer the same substrate optimization as GrandioSO, VOCO's most advanced universal composite. Why is substrate optimization important? Dynamic loads such as chewing forces and changes in temperature put constant stress on the restoration, and the only way to counterbalance these ongoing stresses is to use a composite that matches the elastic and thermal behavior of the tooth. Because of its substrate optimization, GrandioSO is the most tooth-like composite available, promotes a natural equilibrium at the restorative substrate interface, and is capable of withstanding years of dynamic chewing forces and millions of temperature changes. And this is exactly what dentists are looking for in a restorative material. The first composites to combine the superior physical properties of universal composites with the ease of handling you get from flowables, GrandioSO Flow and Heavy Flow use nanotechnology to achieve their remarkable strength and durability. As with regular GrandioSO Flow and Heavy Flow combine functionalized silicon dioxide nanoparticles with glass ceramic particles and a special resin matrix to produce filler content greater than 80% by weight. This high filler content gives GrandioSO Flow and Heavy Flow physical properties that other flowable composites can't match. As we can see in this graph, GrandioSO Flow and Heavy Flow experience less shrinkage than leading competitors. They also deliver the highest surface hardness and flexural strength, and they outperform the competition in wear resistance and thermal expansion behavior. With GrandioSO Flow and Heavy Flow, you can actually see the difference in viscosity. This choice of viscosities allows you to use these innovative flowables in a wide variety of restorative procedures. Medium viscosity GrandioSO Flow is best suited for use in small Class 1, 2, and 3 restorations as a lining material and for luting of veneers. Its flow-on-demand properties make it ideal for restorations in the anterior and posterior regions. GrandioSO Heavy Flow is best suited for Class 1, 2, 4, and 5 restorations. Its high stability makes it particularly effective for undercut cavities, restorations close to the marginal border, proximal defects, and the processing of glass fiber strips for splinting procedures. GrandioSO Heavy Flow can be applied precisely and without overflow, and the VCA5 shade enables you to create aesthetic, fade-resistant cervical restorations, especially with the growing population of elderly patients. GrandioSO Flow and Heavy Flow come in 12 shades that coordinate perfectly with regular GrandioSO, and with an exceptionally high radiopacity of 500% aluminum, the special white opaque shade provides a sharp contrast to hard dental tissue and other restorative materials. It can also be used to mask discolored areas and is very useful for marking the proximity of the pulp when used as a cavity liner. All 12 shades are available in VOCO's non-dripping syringe or in the innovative unit dose cap with its long, bendable metal needle tip. The new GrandioSO Flow Incisal shade allows you to use the material as a veneer cement. The introductory kit contains 5 2-gram syringes, shade guide and tips, and all shades can be ordered in individual refill packages. Imagine how much time you could save using only one composite for all your Class II restorations. GrandioSO Flow and Heavy Flow make it possible with superb handling, excellent physical properties, and a nanotechnology formula that enables the restoration to withstand even the heaviest chewing forces. Suitable for all classes of restorations, GrandioSO Flow and Heavy Flow give you a wide range of applications, 2 viscosities to choose from, and 12 convenient shades. Most important, they allow you to perform Class II restorations without layering a universal composite on top of the flowable. For the only flowable composites that can be used like a universal composite, choose new GrandioSO Flow and Heavy Flow from VOCO.